Welcome back to the channel. If you're building a tech product or running a development team, you know the ultimate bottleneck. The handoff. You design something incredible visually and then you have to spend weeks writing the CSS and React code just to make it look exactly, and then you have spent weeks writing the CSS React code just to make it look exactly the same in the browser. At 3 a.m., the last thing you want to do is wrestle with the CSS breakpoint. Today, we are looking at Framer. Framer started as a prototyping tool, but it has evolved into a complete visual website builder for create pros. It promised to eliminate the front-end coding phase entirely by letting you design on free-form Canva instantly, publish and blazing fast production ready website. So without waiting, let's jump into that product and we are ready to review this. Here is a Framer UI and their website. So as you can see, it looks like it's a pretty famous product, and this is how the things are visualized. It's pretty similar to the Canva, but it's more advanced than the Canva. So this is the Canva window. So I didn't log in at the moment because I was just looking their website, and this is few samples that they have added up there. This is a few famous companies. I believe that they are already using this product. And if I scroll down, agent that work alongside you or instead of you. So look like they also provide the agents, like this is a chat window on the left side, and on the right side you can just write something up there and it will update the title of this product. So what if we just update here, I'm not sure, but they have provided the chat without login access here. So I'm not expecting the much higher result, but let me try out something. Can you change the label of, not the label because it's a website. Can you change the website hero section title to trap drops? Okay, so it didn't work. So this is a demo, and they have just provided us simulations like how the things will work, and here we go. So when you change to the CMS and the chat window is changed, because they have a different products, like I was looking here into their menu and they said like it's a AI for designer, agents build together, design freeforms Canva, performance for pro sites, collaborate, and CMS manage content. So I believe this is how the CMS view this one, and this is the chat window, and under the layer I believe they are using the available models like GPT and Claude, because here they have added the examples with GPT and this is where they are using the Claude. So this is a MCP, I believe, so you can connect with any AI like they have mentioned, all from your terminal, Codex, Cloud Code, Cursor, or any external AI. Not just a vibe, a full platform, and this is how they are promising Core Web Vitals. So they are saying this will be a full-fledged website, I believe. So I believe this is all, and this is their footer, and we have few things up here. So without waiting, let me click on the login and we can look what's the behind the curtain. Okay, so as you can see, I have logged successfully, and at the moment I am on Canva, but we have a different products here. We have a CMS, we have a localizations, analytics, settings, and all those stuff. So let's start with this Canva. So I'm not sure what I need to do. So we have a few options here. We have a Sonnet 5, we have a Sonnet 4.6, GPT, Luna, Terra, and Sol. So we can go with GPT 5. So what we can say here, create a course website landing page. Color should be more related to sports green and gray. I believe for this one we can just try it out. Okay, so as we just prompted it and now the GPT is thinking, I built a new sports themes blending page on the currently home page, the green, gray. Okay, so it have few questions. So which sport directions? That is pretty good because I didn't mention the sports over there. So I was looking if it's smart enough. So we will go for the football club and what layout should be. So it will be a full played arena. And how much content should it include? Standard action depth, briefs and snubs, and detailed sections cover. Detailed sections cover. Should repeated card buttons or reusable component, reusable components. And here we go. So we have answered few questions and now look like the things are in action now. He's just thinking about it and he's just doing the brainstorming with the other agents on the backend. So let's see what's the magic's happening here. So okay, so now it have all search and I believe it designed the solution on backend. Now it's just looking for the specific elements of the design, like the fonts might be a different design system, the color scheme, and all those stuff. So here, so as you can see, look like things are getting thumbs up. So the Canva design is being changed to the black. So once it finalizes the things, we will just click on play. I was able to say the play button here, but now it's not being there. So once the things are there, so we can just review how the things will work. And along with that, while it's doing the thinking, we have a few more buttons, like we have a preview similar to Figma, and we have a publish, we have an invite, like you can just invite your colleague or someone to this wireframe. They can help you out and they can do the brainstorming. Maybe they don't like the colors that you have choose, so that is pretty good. And we have also designs elements here. You can create a new design page and new folder, and currently we only have one page, like the home page. So here we go. So as you can see, the things are getting up. It's pretty cool. We're just building up all the things in front of us in the real time. I'm not sure that Figma have abilities to do this kind of stuff, but this is pretty good. Okay, so basically it just add the club name of Asim FC. So Asim FC, I'm not sure if I have a club, but this is how the things are here. Okay, so I believe things are still in pending. So currently things are still in pending. So it's just now looking the look and feel and doing some changes over there. Okay. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, now we have a complete middle sections and now there is a train links. Okay, that is pretty cool because I didn't provide any content to it. So if I'm the blank page, I need to create something like the website. So I can just land on this framer and I can just provide my idea, and what it will do, it will build all the pages from the scratch. So here we go on the footer, and now you can see we have a few elements here, like you can use that one, right? You don't need to add a logo. It already aware like which kind of website is, and based on that it can do the branding and all those stuff. So it follows the pretty well. Like I added a gray and sports green, so it added well. Okay, so as you can see, our website is pretty ready. We have a home button, we have a sports, and we have a sports info card, and this is the landing page of that site. So let me click on this one. Okay, so all button is working properly. The similar way we do have experience in the Figma, and you can do this way. Okay, on the became member, we don't have any link. So okay, so this is how this thing works. So okay, let's do something here. So I need here I'm also need to show real-time score of different teams on landing page and create SVG images of few popular FIFA player. Okay. So let's wait. I can add both, but I need two choice results so the live data and the player artwork match what you expect. Okay, so few more questions. You editable mock score. We don't have API, so which player artwork do you style? FIFA card inspired graphic, styled famous player. Okay, this way. Ah, here we go. Whenever you see this guy name, you don't have to think. These are the top notch. Okay, so thought 11 seconds. We're just doing some stuff again. Okay, so now we have a scores from around the game. Manchester's, Barcelona, and here we go. And I think this was we already have before. I'm looking here. Here we go. So this is 3 icons, one wall of football energy. So we have icons here, but I believe we can change it later. But it's still doing some stuff. It's trying to creating the artwork. Let me check if we can add a follow-up. Can you add real images of these players? Okay, so now it's in queued. But somehow at the point this product will say, okay, so you are using the free edition, you are not able to perform this kind of stuff. So let's wait for a few moments. Okay, look like it's just looking for some resources on internet. Here we go. Oh, not bad. This is not Mbappe. Okay, so for Ronaldo, it just added a Ronaldo shirt, and here's the Messi. Just added a Messi posters up here. Note the exact public players. This is your workspace is out of free credit. This is what I talking about. We are on the free edition, so in the free edition we will not be facilitate. So here we go. So let me click on this player again, and now we have a picture, and if I scroll down we have images, and this is pretty good. I can sell it to anyone. So yeah, this is all for today. I will get back tomorrow with the new product, and meanwhile you can just click on subscribe, hit the like button if you like, and you can post a comment if you find anything that I can improve. Bye for today.